How are you?
Fine, thanks, and you?
What's your name?
My name is Alex.
What's your surname?
My surname is Green.
How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Where do you come from?
I come from India.
How long have you been learning English?
For 2 years.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading and English.
What do you like doing in your free time?
I like reading books in English.
What's your job?
I'm a manager.
What do you do?
I'm a manager.
Do you work or study?
I work.
Where do you work?
I work for myself.
Do you like your job?
Yeah, I really like it.
Where do you study?
I go to school.
Do you like your school?
Actually, not.
What subjects do you like?
I like English and history.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have 2 brothers.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do. I bought it last year.
What are your plans for the future?
I'd like to get a good education and find a well-paid job.
What are you interested in?
I'm interested in foreign languages and music.
Are you interested in sport?
Yes, I'm.
What are you keen on?
I'm keen on music and reading.
What are you fond of?
I'm fond of sport.